All right, y'all. So in the last video, y'all saw me and my family putting together the sawmill and putting it on the go trailer, and now it's ready to go. Except we need some logs for it to cut. So behind me is one of the many over our land that blew over in a storm with some straight line winds. It's a red oak, I believe, but and that seems to be the majority of what got blew on over. I don't know if they just have a weak root system or what's going on, but yeah. So this will be our first tree. See if we can get a couple 12-foot sections out of it. Check out all those mushrooms or fungi, fungus, whatever it is. And we got the lumberjack over here. She's ready to go. Got the chaps on. Ready to cut, ain't you?
Maybe.
Don't let her fool you. She's she's gonna try to pretend like it's her first time, but it's not. She's been doing this. She's been doing this for years. So yeah, we're gonna get to it. That's a bad woman right there. Lumberjack. Yeah. Woo! Hang on. You're gonna go back right here.
My glasses are fogged up.
Yeah, that's that hard work you're putting in. Sweating up, fogging. Look at that. First time. I mean, 1,000th time. Veteran, obviously. There it is. I told y'all, she's a real deal. Yep. Look at that. You did a good job.
That one
For
got
real.
filled up in. What, baby?
Well, that's why we had a little smaller section, but
Yeah.
she got it. So now we got that out of the way. We can come down through here and
Baby.
try to see what's gonna work out the best. Try to get the most out of it. Like I said, we're gonna try to get 12 foot. I have to cut them about 12 and a half, because 12 and a half is the max my mill can cut. But if I can get 12s out of it, that'd be good. So bad. Should have brought my can hook so I can roll it. Yeah, should be able to get another. And that'll be all out of this tree. The rest will be firewood. Let's get to cutting. All right, so we're able to get two 12.5 foot sections out of this one tree. Red oak, like I said, I believe is what it is. And then the rest will turn into firewood. Come out here and buck it up. Yeah, now we gotta get the log arch, put it on the side by side, and get these two sections to the mill.
You see that mushroom in there? Whoa. How cool is that? Wow.
Toe. It's your toe. Toe. It's your toe.
What was that? Something just bit me or stung me. Ah. So I just had this scorpion sting me. See if I can find him. Yeah, there he is. Yeah, this little guy right here, scorpion. Just it stung me. Going to flip this box over. And yeah, it got me. Right, let's see if you can see it. Yeah, it caught me right there where it's white at. Felt kind of like a fire ant, honestly. He's trying to hide now. Guess I invaded his home. Look at him already. Ready to sting again. See it. Come on. Oh, you stung me with it one time. Uh-oh. There he goes, back under the box. Doesn't really hurt anymore, so I don't imagine this. They're too poisonous. Oh well, we won't worry about it too much. I'm just kidding. They didn't give me that time. It did go over this way, but maybe it's long gone now. All right, y'all. So the plan is to load that log and that log, 12 footers, 12 and a half actually. Load those up on the log arch and get them over to the sawmill. Alright, let's see if we can make that work. Alright, let's see if we can figure this out. First time using it. Oh, I might have to grab the cant hook. might work right there. Oh yeah, and don't let this piece fool you. That was not milled on my sawmill. That was the final straw log right there. Meaning I had my chainsaw mill, and long story short, it'll whoop your ass. It's some hard work. Like I said, that was the final straw, and then finally broke down, bought a sawmill. So, but yeah, now I was just moving the head down to the end, making sure that I'm gonna be able to get this log up on here and actually cut it and not have to make too many adjustments. So we'll see though. As long as I can get it up on there, you know, I should be able to slide it back and forth a little easier being on that metal frame. But if I can avoid that, I'm gonna try to do it. All right, we finally got the log over here set up. Pardon me, I'm out of breath. Sweating like I've been playing on Dale's drums. But anyway, we gotta get this log on this here mill. Let's get it. See how this works. Actually, we'll probably have to get this side up first so I can push this in down, maybe, because I have it just a little bit too far that way. I don't know, probably by about 3 or 4 inches. So bye, I love you. Whew. All right, that was a lot more effort than I planned on and wanted to put into this, but you know, what are you doing? It's your first time and you're just getting started out learning. You struggle. That's what you do. That's what I do, at least.
Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this whole process. I know I did. Next video, we'll be putting some cuts in on this bad boy. Do me a favor and leave some comments, likes, share it up. Trying to get monetized, trying to grow, and our viewers, subscribers, and the whole nine. So, anyways, thanks for watching. I'll catch y'all next time.